We have autonomous machines operating all around us, but they share a dangerous limitation. They navigate our physical, three-dimensional world using flat, two-dimensional vision. Standard cameras process reality as a photograph. They have no innate sense of depth or distance, making them inadequate when an automated forklift has to calculate the exact distance to a worker stepping into its path. The initial solution to this depth problem was mechanical LiDAR. Early engineers strapped heavy, spinning sensors to the tops of vehicles to physically sweep lasers across the environment and measure the returning light. This diagram illustrates the legacy architecture, relying on thousands of spinning mirrors and massive power draws. But expose that mechanical complexity to the constant vibration of a city or a commercial truck, and the parts wear down, motors burn out, and the sensors shatter. The adoption of autonomous systems stalled because you cannot trust multi-million-dollar robots to a fragile set of mechanical eyes that break under pressure. To completely fix the legacy hardware bottleneck, Ouster engineers had to look at the sensor from the microscopic level. They looked at the messy tangle of 1,000 discrete analog components and decided to completely strip them away. This diagram shows the transition from analog to digital LiDAR. Ouster took that massive tangled circuit board and shrunk the entire architecture down into a single silicon microchip, utilizing SPAD and VCSEL technology. Moving the laser emitters and receivers directly onto silicon means there are absolutely zero moving parts inside the sensor. A solid-state chip can handle extreme temperatures and constant vibration without failing. It also means you manufacture sensors the exact same way you print computer chips, driving the cost of production straight down. By replacing moving mechanics with digital silicon, Ouster solved the core bottlenecks of unit cost and physical fragility. Perfect three-dimensional vision does not solve the autonomy problem on its own. The machine still needs a way to understand the data it is collecting. Following their acquisition of Stereolabs, Ouster integrated computer vision and AI directly onto their hardware, deploying this intelligence through their Gemini and Blue City software platforms. This diagram shows how their physical AI works in real time. The software takes billions of raw, unstructured data points and instantly groups them, drawing bounding boxes and applying specific classifications like person, vehicle, or obstacle. Combining a highly durable digital silicon sensor with real-time classification software creates a closed loop. The machine can sense the environment, think about what those objects are, and act on that information instantly. Ouster is currently deploying an intelligent 3D perception nervous system that integrates silicon hardware with advanced object classification for automated logistics and robotics. This unified sense and think architecture is already out there, actively managing traffic and logistics across the physical world. In a single year, Ouster shipped over 25,000 LiDAR units, and their software platforms are currently active across 1,200 global sites. Because they can print their sensors on silicon instead of hand-assembling mechanical parts, the commercial scale directly impacts their unit economics. Even with a profitable quarter and $211 million in cash, headline numbers can sometimes obscure the real trajectory of a business. This area chart breaks down the revenue mix. The top layer represents $21 million in one-time IP royalty payments, dropping off next year. Beneath that, the massive bottom layer shows the core hardware and software product business, where bookings more than doubled. Removing the unpredictable royalty revenue leaves investors with a clean, highly visible baseline driven entirely by physical product demand. As artificial intelligence moves off the server rack and into moving vehicles, factory robots, and smart city grids, it requires precise 3D perception to navigate and operate safely. By merging a durable silicon eye with an intelligent software brain, Ouster provides the unified infrastructure required to make the autonomous world function.